Discover the beauty of nature. Top 100 flowers for every garden. Explore a colorful world of blooms and blossoms. From roses to orchids and everything in between. Rose. Roses are a symbol of love and beauty and are available in a variety of colors, including red, pink, yellow, and white. Rose petals are often used in perfumes and skincare products due to their soothing and nourishing properties. Different types of roses, such as climbing roses, hybrid teas, and floribundas, require different care and pruning techniques. Lily. Lilies are a popular flower often associated with purity, innocence, and devotion. There are many different types of lilies, including oriental lilies, trumpet lilies, and Asiatic lilies, with varying colors and sizes. Lilies are often used in floral arrangements and can make a beautiful addition to a garden. Sunflower. Sunflowers are a cheerful and bright flower that symbolizes loyalty, happiness, and longevity. They are easy to grow and can reach impressive heights, making them a popular choice for gardens and landscaping. Sunflower seeds are a popular snack and are also used to make cooking oil and bird feed. Daisy. Daisies are a classic flower that represents innocence, purity, and new beginnings. They are available in many different varieties, such as Shasta daisies, Gerbera daisies, and African daisies. Daisies are often used in floral arrangements and can also be grown in pots or as a ground cover in a garden. Tulip. Tulips are a spring flower known for their vibrant colors and elegant shape. They come in many different varieties, including single and double blooms, with colors ranging from white and pink to red and purple. Tulips are often used in bouquets and can also be planted in large numbers for a stunning display in a garden. Orchid. Orchids are a delicate and exotic flower that represents love, beauty, and strength. They come in many different colors and shapes and require specific care and conditions to thrive. Orchids are often used in floral arrangements and can also be grown in pots as a houseplant. Daffodil. Daffodils are a bright and cheerful spring flower that symbolizes rebirth and new beginnings. They come in many different colors and varieties, including trumpet daffodils and double daffodils. Daffodils are easy to grow and make a beautiful addition to any garden. Hydrangea. Hydrangeas are a popular flowering shrub that come in a variety of colors, including pink, blue, and white. They are often used in wedding bouquets and floral arrangements due to their large, showy blooms. Hydrangeas require specific care and pruning to ensure they bloom properly. Iris. Irises are a beautiful and delicate flower that come in a range of colors, including blue, purple, and yellow. They are often used in floral arrangements and can also be planted in a garden for a stunning display. Irises require well-drained soil and specific care to ensure they bloom properly. Peony. Peonies are a popular flower known for their large, fragrant blooms and come in a range of colors, including pink, red, and white. They are often used in wedding bouquets and floral arrangements due to their beauty and elegance. Peonies require specific care and pruning to ensure they bloom properly. Marigold. Marigolds are a popular annual flower that bloom in a range of bright colors and are often used to add color to garden beds and borders. They are also a natural insect repellent, making them a great choice for planting near vegetable gardens. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums are a fall-blooming perennial that come in a variety of colors and are often used in flower arrangements. They are also used in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments. Zinnia. Zinnias are an easy-to-grow annual flower that come in a range of colors, from white and pink to bright orange and red. They are a popular choice for cut flower arrangements and can attract pollinators to your garden. Petunia. Petunias are a popular annual flower that bloom in a range of colors and are often used in hanging baskets, window boxes, and garden beds. They are easy to care for and can tolerate a range of growing conditions. Gladiolus. Gladiolus are a summer-blooming bulb that come in a range of colors and are often used in cut flower arrangements. They are easy to grow and can add height and color to garden beds. Geranium. Geraniums are a popular annual flower that come in a range of colors and are often used in hanging baskets, window boxes, and garden beds. They are easy to care for and can tolerate a range of growing conditions. Snapdragon. Snapdragons are a cool season annual flower that come in a range of colors and are often used in garden beds and borders. They are easy to grow and can add vertical interest to your garden. Bluebell. Bluebells are a spring blooming perennial that come in shades of blue and purple. They are often used in woodland gardens and can naturalize in the right growing conditions. Pansy. Pansies are a cool season annual flower that come in a range of colors and are often used in hanging baskets, window boxes, and garden beds. They are easy to care for and can tolerate a range of growing conditions. Sweet pea. Sweet peas are a fragrant, cool season annual vine that come in a range of colors and are often used in cut flower arrangements. They are easy to grow and can add vertical interest to your garden. Carnation. Carnations are a popular annual or perennial flower that come in a range of colors and are often used in flower arrangements. They are also the birth flower for January. Hollyhock. Hollyhocks are a summer blooming perennial that come in a range of colors and can add height to garden beds and borders. They are easy to grow and can attract pollinators to your garden. Fuchsia. Fuchsias are a summer blooming annual or perennial flower that come in a range of colors and are often used in hanging baskets, window boxes, and garden beds. They can attract hummingbirds to your garden. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant perennial herb that comes in shades of purple, pink, and white. It is often used in aromatherapy and can attract pollinators to your garden. Poppy. Poppies are a spring-blooming annual or perennial flower that come in shades of red, pink, orange, and white. They are often used in cut flower arrangements and can naturalize in the right growing conditions. Verbena. Verbena is a summer-blooming annual or perennial flower that comes in a range of colors and is often used in hanging baskets, window boxes, and garden beds. It can attract butterflies to your garden. Cosmos. Cosmos flowers are annual plants that produce colorful, daisy-like flowers that attract butterflies and hummingbirds. They come in a variety of colors including pink, white, and red. Coneflower. Coneflowers are native to North America and are a popular perennial flower that produce large, daisy-like flowers with distinctive cone-shaped centers. They come in a range of colors including purple, pink, and white. Crocus. Crocus flowers are known for their early spring blooms and are a popular choice for adding color to gardens and landscapes. They come in a variety of colors including purple, yellow, and white. Lupine. Lupine flowers are a popular choice for gardeners looking to add color and texture to their landscapes. They are known for their tall, spiky flower stalks and come in a variety of colors including blue, purple, and pink. Honeysuckle. Honeysuckle is a woody vine that produces sweet-smelling, tubular flowers that are attractive to hummingbirds and butterflies. They come in a range of colors including white, pink, and yellow. Snowdrop. Snowdrops are early blooming bulbs that produce delicate, white flowers with green accents. They are a popular choice for adding a touch of early spring color to gardens and landscapes. Morning Glory. Morning Glories are annual climbing vines that produce showy, trumpet-shaped flowers in a range of colors including blue, purple, and pink. They are easy to grow and are a popular choice for adding vertical interest to gardens and landscapes. Delphinium. Delphiniums are tall, showy perennial flowers that produce spikes of brightly colored flowers in shades of blue, purple, and pink. They are a popular choice for adding vertical interest to gardens and landscapes. Columbine. Columbines are a popular choice for gardeners looking to add color and texture to their landscapes. They are known for their distinctive, bell-shaped flowers and come in a range of colors including blue, pink, and white. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susans are a type of daisy-like flower that produce brightly colored yellow or orange petals with distinctive dark centers. They are a popular choice for adding color to gardens and landscapes. Amaryllis. Amaryllis are a popular indoor plant that produce large, showy flowers in a range of colors including red, pink, and white. They are easy to grow and are a popular choice for adding color to homes and offices. Anemone. Anemones are a popular choice for gardeners looking to add color and texture to their landscapes. They are known for their delicate, daisy-like flowers and come in a range of colors including pink, white, and red. Begonia. Begonias are a popular choice for adding color and texture to gardens and landscapes. They produce a wide variety of flower shapes and colors, from delicate pink and white flowers to bold, brightly colored blooms. Calendula. Calendula flowers are an easy-to-grow annual plant that produces brightly colored orange or yellow flowers. They are a popular choice for adding color to gardens and landscapes. Cornflower. Cornflowers are an annual plant that produces delicate, blue flowers with a distinctive, spiky center. They are a popular choice for adding color to gardens and landscapes. Foxglove. Foxgloves are a popular choice for gardeners looking to add vertical interest to their landscapes. They produce tall spikes of tubular flowers in a range of colors including pink, purple, and white. Gaillardia. Gaillardia flowers are a popular choice for adding color and texture to gardens and landscapes. They produce bright, daisy-like flowers in shades of orange, yellow, and red. Gypsophila. Gypsophila, commonly known as baby's breath, produces delicate and airy clusters of small white flowers. This plant is often used as a filler in floral arrangements due to its airy appearance. Heliotrope. Heliotrope is a fragrant plant that produces clusters of small purple or white flowers. It is often used in perfumes and soaps due to its sweet and vanilla-like scent. Jasmine. Jasmine is a popular flowering plant known for its sweet fragrance and delicate white or yellow blooms. It is often used in perfumes, teas, and aromatherapy products due to its calming properties. Lobelia. Lobelia is a beautiful annual plant with small, delicate flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, and white, which makes it a great addition to any garden or container. It prefers cool weather and moist, well-drained soil, and can attract butterflies and hummingbirds. Nasturtium. Nasturtium is a popular edible flower that comes in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, and red. It's easy to grow, and can add a pop of color to any garden or dish. Nasturtium is also known for its peppery taste and is often used in salads and as a garnish. Ranunculus. Ranunculus is a beautiful flowering plant with a variety of colors, including pink, red, yellow, and white. It's often grown as an annual, but it's actually a perennial that can come back year after year if grown in the right conditions. Ranunculus prefers full sun and well-draining soil, and is a popular choice for bouquets and wedding flowers. Stock. Stock is a popular cut flower that comes in a range of colors, including pink, purple, white, and yellow. It's easy to grow and has a sweet fragrance, making it a favorite for gardens and bouquets. Stock prefers cool weather and moist, well-drained soil, and can be planted in both spring and fall. Review. Rose. Rose. Lily. Lily. Sunflower. Sunflower. Daisy. Daisy. Tulip. Tulip. Orchid. Orchid. Daffodil. Daffodil. Hydrangea. Hydrangea. Iris. Iris. Peony. Peony. Marigold. Marigold. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Zinnia. Zinnia. Petunia, Petunia. Gladiolus, Gladiolus. Geranium, Geranium. Snapdragon, Snapdragon. Bluebell, Bluebell. Pansy, Pansy. Sweet pea, Sweet pea. Carnation, Carnation. Hollyhock, Hollyhock. Fuchsia, Fuchsia. Lavender, Lavender. Poppy, Poppy. Verbena, Verbena. Cosmos, Cosmos. Coneflower, Coneflower. Crocus, Crocus. Lupine, Lupine. Honeysuckle, Honeysuckle. Snowdrop, Snowdrop. Morning Glory, Morning Glory. Delphinium, Delphinium. Columbine, Columbine. Black-eyed Susan, Black-eyed Susan. Amaryllis, Amaryllis. Anemone, Anemone. Begonia, Begonia. Calendula, Calendula. Cornflower, Cornflower. Foxglove, Foxglove. Gaillardia, Gaillardia. Gypsophila, Gypsophila. Heliotrope, Heliotrope. Jasmine, Jasmine. Lobelia, Lobelia. Nasturtium, Nasturtium. Ranunculus, Ranunculus. Stock, Stock.